300 years later, Earth no longer has the concept of countries, and is instead unified under the leadership of the United Nations. However, humans who colonized Mars early on gradually broke away from Earth's rule and established a regime on Mars. Another force established an asteroid belt civilization in the outer regions. Although the three powers appear to coexist peacefully, there are undercurrents of tension. Earth, being the strongest among them, strives to seize the dominant position, exploiting the other two sides continuously. Until later, the former richest person in the solar system, Pierre, colluded with Martians to release a mysterious virus at the Eros space station, ultimately causing 500,000 asteroid belt residents to lose their lives. This event captured the attention of the three factions, prompting them to investigate. All evidence pointed to one unregistered large space station. So, the Houghton team piloted the Rossi spacecraft to arrive. They belonged to a secret base in the asteroid belt. Organization. Unexpectedly, as they approached the space station, they encountered a massive stealth battleship. The opponent directly launched 2 torpedoes, which, although successfully intercepted by the railgun, still suffered intense close-range weapon attacks. Fortunately, no critical damage was inflicted. Under the skilled operation of the pilot, the Rossi spacecraft hid in the central area of the space station. Then, in the distance, the Mollis artillery fired 2 boarding pods to attempt a forced landing. Unexpectedly, a turret used to fend off drifting meteors instantly blasted one of the pods to pieces. Fortunately, the Rossi arrived in time to destroy the turret, ensuring the safety of another boarding pod. Then, using agile maneuvers, it shot down the stealth warship at close range. The boarding pod eventually locked onto the space station. After the team landed, they quickly discovered a laboratory inside. Several researchers were conducting some kind of remote study here. From the person in charge, they learned the true origin of the protomolecule virus, a military ship carrying the protomolecule virus. An asteroid meteorite was launched into the solar system by some force, unexpectedly captured by Saturn's massive gravity, becoming the later Saturn Neumond. Their true target was Earth, but the reason for this action is... The team also discovered through research that this virus can cause human evolution, even enabling humans to survive in places without oxygen. Before he could finish speaking, team member Miller suddenly burst in and took out the person in charge. As it turned out, his girlfriend had died from this virus. Back at Spaceflight number 5, Miller was defeated due to his reckless actions. The team also obtained a sealed virus sample in the laboratory. To avoid detection by other forces, they installed the sample on a torpedo and launched it into an abandoned asteroid mining field. On the other side, Earth and Mars, which had been in a Cold War for over a century, erupted into an unprecedented war, using this virus leak incident as a trigger.